Hello everyone, welcome to Passion to Learn. In this video, we are going to see about opposites and in opposites, big and small. This video is mainly for our kindergarten. Okay, this is for pre-KG, LKG and UKG. So in opposites, we are going to see about big and small. Can we repeat? Big and small. In this example, we are seeing tree, right? How many trees are there? Two trees. Now we are going to find which is small and which is big. The first tree is small and the second tree is big. Can we all repeat it together? The first tree is small and the second tree is big. Small tree, big tree. Yes, we are seeing two doll. Okay, I can also say it as a toy. The first toy is small and the second toy is big. Can we repeat it? The first toy is small and the second toy is big. We all know this, right? Yes, it's an apple. The first apple is small and the second apple is big. Can we repeat? The first apple is small, the second apple is big. Yes, our favorite one, right? Ball. How many balls are there? Two balls. The first ball is small, the second ball is big. Can we repeat it together? First ball is small and the second ball is big. Pencil. In this example, the first pencil is small. The second pencil is big. The first pencil is small and the second pencil is big. Now, when we see an object, we are able to identify which one is small and big, right? So, now let's all identify the objects here, which is big and which is small. Can we all do it together? Yes, come on. What is this? It's a box. Is this box small or big? Yes, it's a big box. We are seeing a TV. Is this TV small or big? Yes, you are right. It's a big TV. Can we see one more example? What is this? Excellent. It's a rat. Is it small or big? Yes, it's a small one. Beautiful. Now we all have identified which is small and which is big. Can we all do some worksheets now? Okay. Can we all see the first worksheet here? This is about bigger or smaller. Look at the animals in each box and click the one that is bigger. So what should we do? We have to see and say which is bigger. Yes. So the first example, we have one elephant and one rat. What is this? Elephant and rat. Now we are going to circle the one which is bigger. Can we do that? Which is bigger, elephant or rat? Yes, the elephant is bigger. Can we look at the second example here? Yes. We are able to see an ant and lion. So which is bigger here? Ant looks tiny, right? It's very small. Lion is big. In the third example, we are seeing again two animals. Can we mark the big and small here? Yes. The second one is bigger. Last example of this worksheet, we are able to see one camel and cat. So which is bigger? Is camel bigger or cat bigger? Yes, according to this picture, I think camel is bigger. Excellent. Now we all have completed our first worksheet. Can we do the second one? This worksheet, let's all do it together. Take the bigger objects. We have seen most of these in our examples, right? The first one given is ball. There are one ball and two ball. Can we circle the bigger one here? Yes. The second ball is bigger. Second ball is bigger. The second example, you can see a toy, polar bear toy. Right? How many toys are there? One toy and the second one. So which is bigger? Yes, the first one is bigger. Can we go to the next example? Yes. You can see two bags here. How many bags are there? Two bags. Which is bigger? Very good. The first bag is bigger. The next example, we are seeing two cars. First car, second car. On this, which is bigger? Which one is bigger? Can we all do it together, right? Yeah, the first one is bigger. The green car is bigger. And in the next example, we can see two notes. Okay, this which one is bigger? Yes, the first one is bigger. The first note here is bigger. In the next example, we are seeing two fish. And this two fish, which is bigger? Yes, very good. The second fish is bigger. So now we are very clear with big and small. So now we are all very clear with big and small, right? So we can keep practicing it at home. You can take these small objects, whatever you're having, either your crayons, chalk pills, or your toys, or your ball, whatever you have, you can just take and see which is big and small. Hold two different sizes of chalkers and find which is big and small. You can hold two size of pencils and find which is big and small. So keep practicing it at home and we all will see in our next video. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe the channel to see our latest videos. Thank you.